Hi, welcome back to our channel. Let us look at the second last questions from PSLE Math Paper 2, 2022. So, a plot of land of area 876 is divided into three rectangular fields of equal width. So, 1, 2, 3, three fields rectangle, and then the width are all the same. Now, the fields are fenced using 177 meters of fencing indicated by the dots in the figure below. Meaning that if you add up all these dots, all these line segments over here, they will add up to 177. So now let us look at the first part of the question. Find the length of AB. How can we find the length of AB, which is over here to the top? Well, using the given information, we already know that all these line segments, they add up to 177. And if I only want to find a particular length, AB, I can simply subtract away the other line segments. Let's see if we know the other line segments. For example, vertically to the left, I have 36. And then to the right, these three parts, they also add up to 36. And since they are equal, meaning that each of them will be 12 meters. So we have already solved the vertical part, and then we can subtract them away. What about the horizontal part? Now to the bottom, we know this is 27, meaning that this part over here is also 27, because remember, opposite sides of a rectangle have the same length. And then with that, we can already start subtracting all these line segments from 177, and then we get 51. But is 51 the final answer? The answer is no, because 51 actually consisting of two line segments. This horizontal line and this horizontal line. So how would I find AB from here? Well, again, since opposite sides of a rectangle are the same, meaning that if this is AB, then this is also AB. So 2AB add up together to 51. Can I find 1AB? Well, of course, I can simply take 51 divided by 2. And that gives me 25.5 meters. So that will be the length of AB. Now continue to the second part. Find the perimeter of the plot of the land. Now most of the students will say, Teacher Cedric, wouldn't the answer be just 170 and 7? Well, the answer is no, because this 177 is all these dotted lines added together. Meaning that this part in the middle and this part in the middle have also been counted. But if I only want to find the perimeter, would I include them? No. So the perimeter is actually only these highlighted parts, the surrounding. And from here you can already get an idea like how would I find out the perimeter? I can simply take 177, the total of all the line segments, minus subtract these two line segments. But for now, do I know these two line segments? The answer is no. So let's see what are some of the known information that can help us. Well, so over here there are three rectangles. And we have learned the area formula of a rectangle to be length times width. So let's see. Well, for the top rectangle, would I be able to find the area? Yes. So that would simply be 25.5 times 12. So length times width, we get 306. And what else can we find? Well, for the middle rectangle, so far we are missing these two blue lines, the length. So we'll skip it for now. What about this bottom rectangle? Well, that's easy. 27 times 12, we get 324. And then from here, what can we find? We know these three rectangles, they add up together to 876. And if this is 306, this is 324, very easily we can find out the area of the middle rectangle to be 246. And if the area of the middle triangle or of the middle rectangle is 246, can I find out the length? Yes, we can simply take 246 divided by the width to get the length, 20.5. So this 20.5 is nothing but this blue line over here, the length. And then the problem has been solved. So now we already know these two lines are 20.5 each of them. So how would I find out only the surrounding part? I'll just take the total 177 minus 20.5 minus 20.5, and that will leave me with the surrounding, and that will be 136. So to summarize, most of us are very used to use length to get areas. But don't forget, this is a two-way directions. You can do it either from the length to the area, or with area, you can also find the length by dividing the width. So this finding length and area is a two-way process. And our PSLE class is now enrolling. If you'd like to learn more about PSLE preparation, particularly on math, make sure you join our study group, and you can book a free PSLE diagnostic test with one of our teachers. So that's it going to be for today. I'm Teacher Cedric, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.